Manukad amin nurses tayo, Ma'am Douglas.
As of this time, kahit may bagat kurang pero I really appreciate yung support ng ating provincial government. Nagbibigay sila. Actually, we're hoping to have additional 16 nurses.
16?
Yes po. Hopefully na newly employed ng mga job orders. Pero right now po, actually, open naman po tayo sa mga applicants. Kung meron, as you all know, we have been having applicants at the emergency room physicians po, na preferably trauma doctors, kaya lang kukulang ang mga doctors. But we appreciate yung mga doctors natin from Mariano Marcos that are helping us. We only have orthopedic surgeon po dyan, lone orthopedic surgeon in the name of Dr. Robert Malvar. So sa mga trauma, pag may mga fractures, nare-refer mo sa kanya.